Hello, welcome back to the channel. Let us do this refreshing and simple question. We have 12 multiplied by 2 over 12 divided by 2. This division bar can be used to group the numerator and the denominator, and this is equal to 12 multiplied by 2. We change this division bar to this kind of division. Then we have 12 divided by 2. We are going to start with the parentheses. 12 multiplied by 2, we get 24. Divided by 12 divided by 2, it is 6. 24 divided by 6, we got 4. I know you learned something. For more video like this, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.